Happy tax holiday time. So if you have a tax holiday coming up in your area, Counterpoint makes it super simple to set that up. So I'm going to walk you through the steps. So first you're going to go to Setup, System, and find your tax authorities, which is right here. Just a reminder, you can also hit the little magnifying glass and type in tax, and that's going to give you everything related to tax, and I can get to my tax authorities here. So once you get there, you're going to find the state that you're going to be setting this tax authority up for, or this tax holiday up for. And then you want to go to your Rules tab. Select your state again, come down here, click tax holiday, do the start and the end date of when that promotion is going to start and end. And then be sure to hit your save button. And now we've actually set up a tax holiday. Hope this video helps. Be sure to check out all of the videos on our YouTube channel.